Frustrated with labels cutting off text in GODOT? But don't worry, there's an easy fix for that. I'll show you how to make labels auto-resize based on text length. First, add a label node to your scene to display text. Next, customize the font settings to enhance readability and style. Make sure to center the label both vertically and horizontally. To create a visually appealing design that fits your project's theme, enhance the label's appearance by adjusting properties such as size, color, and background. Now add a button that updates the label text. I'm using a customized button for this. If you're interested in learning how to create it, be sure to check out this video. Lastly, create a new script specifically for the label to manage its behavior. Now, here the base size is the current size of the label. In this case, the base size is set to 70 and 65. And size update is an integer that sets how much the label's width increases for each added character. And the score is represent the number which increases every time the button is clicked. Now, create a new function named label size, which takes one parameter text. Inside function, set the label's text to the value passed in as text. This updates what is displayed on the label. And also calculate a new label size based on the text's length. We use custom minimum size to adjust the label's width dynamically based on the text length, while keeping its original height. Finally, update the label size function in the process function. At last, increase the score by 10 each time the button is clicked. To add this signal to our code, go to the button, then add a pressed signal to the script. All right, now test the project. Wow, it looks so cool! If you found this helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Don't miss out on more awesome tips and tricks, and as always, happy coding! See you in the next video!